Your name's Cohen?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
I'm just.
All right, go jump. Go, 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 go. All right. Let's do another one. Let's go. What's your name? Look at me. What's your name? What are you gonna do?
Nothing.
You're gonna jump. Jump, 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 jump. Good job, Cohen. Well, you want to go again? What's your name? And what are you gonna do?
I don't know.
You're gonna jump. Oh, good job. You want to go again? One more time. Come here. What's your name? What are you gonna do?
I know.
All right, good job. You are so silly. You want to go again? All right, let's keep going. What's your name? How old are you? You're Cohen?
Yeah.
Are you Super Cohen?
Yeah.
Go jump. Oh. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I think we can still post it because you're okay. What's your name? Who are you? What are you gonna do?
I know.
You're gonna jump. Ta-da! One more time. What's your name? What are you gonna do?
I know.
You're gonna jump. Oh my! I can't keep a straight face. Come here. One more time. One more time for Daddy. A big smile. What's your name? What are you gonna do? You're gonna jump. Good job. High five. High five. Ooh, high five right here. All right, I love you. You gonna jump again?
Yeah.
Okay, jump backwards. Jump backwards. Ooh, that's not backwards. That's not backwards. Come on, one more time. Come here. Here we go. One last time. What's your name? What's your name? What are you gonna do?
I know.